Ibabalik po natin ang number 21 para sa ating pangalawang pagpili ng ating winning number. For our second winning number.
Number 35. Ulitin ko lamang po ang ating winning combination ngayong hapon. 21 and 35 in exact order. 31 and 25, 35 in exact order. 21 and 35 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga winners.
Official draw result for December 14, 2024. 3 p.m. draw for draw number 7588 21